This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notification on, and if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because these bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen. They are running out of XRP. They don't want you to know that, but they are running out of XRP on the public exchanges. XRP is being eaten up by the spot ETFs, by the whales, by the institutions, by all these companies that need XRP for all these XRP related products that are going to be released by Wall Street very, very soon. Every other week, we get some new product that's aligned with XRP that requires XRP for it to operate. Guys, 703 million left public exchanges in the last 72 hours, okay? 703 million XRP. 703 million XRP has vanished in the last 72 hours. But they don't want you to know that. They want you to think that there's this unlimited supply of XRP and that the price can't go up. Can you imagine? XRP is at all-time low. It's at all-time low, 2.74 billion. Yet somehow the price doesn't go up. It is pure manipulation on the part of the bad actors. The SEC knows it, the DOJ knows it, the FBI knows it, and they're doing absolutely nothing about it. But guys, listen, they can only do this for so much longer because the demand keeps rising and the supply keeps going down. The supply is at an all-time low, yet it is trading lower than when the supply was at an all-time high. Make that make sense. Can you guys tell me any other financial instrument where the supply is at all-time lows, the demand at all-time highs, yet the price of that financial instrument is going down? Does that make logical sense to anybody? Does that make fundamental sense in any industry on the planet? I don't care if you're selling widgets, if you're selling cars, if you're selling sneakers, if you're selling Gucci bags, anything that you're selling anywhere on this planet, when the supply goes down while the demand keeps rising, the price is supposed to go up. That's the way the markets work. But for some reason, when it comes to XRP, we see the supply at all-time lows. We see the demand at all-time highs because you have all those XRP spot ETFs waiting to go live. They need XRP. You see all these businesses, all these Wall Street products coming out that need XRP. You see ISO 222 went live this weekend, which means there's going to be a bigger demand for XRP. And then more and more real world assets are being tokenized on the XRP ledger, which means they need more XRP. And on top of that, institutions, banks, entities are loading up on XRP and storing it. So it's off the public exchanges. So how can a financial instrument that the demand is at all-time highs, the supply at all-time lows, but the price isn't going up. Guys, it's pure manipulation and everybody knows it. But they want your XRP. They want your XRP. They want you to sell your XRP to them at these ridiculously low prices because they don't want you in an XRP play. They don't want you in it now. You know when they want you in XRP? After you sell them your XRP at these ridiculously low prices, and then the XRP spotty ETFs are all approved, the big dogs are in, the institutional money's piling in, you are priced out of XRP, and your only way to get exposure is through their XRP spot ETFs. At that point, they will want you in XRP. They will push for you to be in XRP. They will tell you how great XRP is. But right now, because you were able to buy XRP at these ridiculously low prices, they are going to do everything in their power to manipulate you out of your XRP. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you know of any instrument on this planet where the supply is going down, the demand is going up, but the price of the instrument keeps going down? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.